Hello everyone, Sanjana this side and I am a forever business owner. I welcome you all in today's new product video. In today's video, I am going to talk about Forever Aloe Mango. Content of this video is going to be, first we will talk about ingredients of Aloe Mango. After that, seals and certification of this product. Then what are the health benefits of this product, how to use it and what are the precautions to be taken while using it. I'll tell you all these things in detail in this video. So first of all, let's talk about its ingredients. It has 86% pure inner leaf aloe vera gel and 14% mango. Its taste is sweet and sour. It tastes very tasty. I have personally used it also. It contains vitamin C and fiber mainly. No preservatives are added in it. It supports healthy digestion. It is vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly and gluten free. After that, this product has got also many seals and certification, which defines that this product is best. First seal is International Aloe Science Council seal of approval. This seal is given to the products of aloe vera only, which have above 65% pure aloe vera gel and environment friendly. This seal is given after 300 to 400 quality tests. If any company fails even in one test, then they cannot give test for next 4 years. And since this seal was started, Forever Living Products achieves this seal every year. Okay. Next seal is cruelty free seal, means products are not tested on animals. Next, kosher rating seal. This seal defines the purity and quality of product. Those products which have this seal are recognized and respected at the international level. Forever's Aloe Mango has this seal also. Next, ISO certified. It has got the certification of ISO for its standard of the products. Next, M Halal certification, which defines that there is no intoxicating or alcoholic substance is added in it. These all seals and certifications are given to the aloe mango. Okay. Now let's talk about health benefits of aloe mango. The first benefit is detoxification. It cleans our intestine because it contains aloe vera. It supports nutrient absorption and helps maintain natural energy levels. It boosts immune system. The polysaccharide compounds present in aloe vera help in improving our digestive system and increasing immunity also. Okay. It is rich source of vitamin A and vitamin C. Next benefit, it keeps our heart healthy. It contains beta carotene, which is very beneficial for eyes and skin. It has very good anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in reducing swelling. Its anti-carcinogenic effect helps our body in reducing the risk of cancer also. This product is great for kids and for all of us because we all love taste of mango, right? Next benefit, best for liver health. It helps in keeping our liver healthy. Next, best for kidney stone. It contains vitamin B6, which is very beneficial in kidney stones. It is best for bones. Vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium present in it helps in keeping bones healthy. It also increases blood level in our body. Next benefit, 15th, it is very beneficial to use in diarrhea, ulcer, stomach pain, and malaria also. Next, protects from loo. It helps in protecting us from hot wind called loo during the summer season. Next, hydrates our body along with giving freshness to the body. It also keeps the body hydrated. Okay. It is very beneficial in asthma because it has anti-asthmatic properties also. It protects us from allergy and infection, maintain cholesterol level and reduces bad cholesterol from our body. Next benefit, it supports gut health plus reduces stomach problems like acidity and constipation. Keep skin healthy and it contains vitamin E which helps in making the skin healthy. Aloe mango is good for mental health plus helps in strengthening the brain and making the brain healthy. And last benefit is it controls blood pressure also. These are the benefits of this product. Overall, this is an amazing product with so many health benefits because it's a nutritional product, not a medicine. You can use it by yourself and also share with your family and friends also. See, this is a nutritional product which you have to use for longer time for proper results, right? Now let's talk about how to use aloe mango. I'll tell you 7 steps. First, drink aloe mango in the morning on an empty stomach without even brushing your teeth. Quantity 30 to 40 ml. It has to be taken in glass tumbler only. If you pour it in the glass of steel or other glass, then some of its properties get destroyed. So make sure that you are drinking it after pouring in the glass tumbler only. Okay, so do not drink aloe mango mixed with water even by mistake. After 15 to 20 minutes of drinking aloe mango, drink 1 to 2 glasses of lukewarm water. Eat food after 15 to 20 minutes of drinking water. For best results, drink half of 1 liter water than you drink a day. You have to drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water daily. So use this aloe mango in this proper manner, okay? Now, what are the precautions of using aloe mango? First, don't drink directly from the bottle because bottle is made up of paper board. If you drink directly from the bottle, then the area around the cap start to deteriorate. Second, do refrigerate immediately after opening the bottle. Third, keep the bottle straight in the refrigerator. Do not keep it tilted. Fourth and most important, do not recommend aloe mango to pregnant women because they do not need cleansing. And do not recommend this product to high sugar patients because it has sugar content. You can recommend aloe vera gel to that person. And if you have any query related to any product of Forever Living Products International like price, or you want to use this product or any other product of aloe vera gel, then you can just fill the form given in the description of this video. I'll definitely provide you proper information at free. So if you really like the information about Aloe Mango, then you can just share this video to your teammates, friends and family. And you can subscribe to this channel for more products information and other information related to FLP. If you use this product before, then you can just share your experience in the comment section. See you all in next video. Bye bye. Take care.